Drawing room. 1. Living room should be in the east, leaving the southeast corner, or in the north. However, it is more beneficial in the north. 2. The slope of the flooring of the living room should be in the east or in the north. 3. The door of the living room should not be in the southeast or the southwest direction. The eastern and the western doors are very auspicious for the living room. 4. The internal furniture, showcases and other heavy articles should be in the west or in the south direction. 5. The sitting arrangement of the head of the family should be facing the east or in the north direction. 6. As far as possible, TV should not be in the northeast or the southwest corner. It should be in the southeast corner. If it is in the northwest corner, a lot of precious time is lost. If the TV is in the southwest corner, frequent breakdowns are expected. 7. The telephone should not be in the southwest or the northwest corners. It should be in the east or in the southeast or in the north. 8. The Indian-style sitting arrangement should be in the east, the west or the north. 9. It is better if the portraits of the god or waterfalls are hung in the northeast corner. Stuffed animals should be in the northwest corner. 10. The color of the walls and the tiles used in this room should be white, yellow, blue or green. As far as possible, it should not be red or black. 11. Portraits of angry birds, animals, women, weeping, children, scenes from the wars, etc. should not be displayed in the room. 12. Furniture of this room should not be circular, triangular, egg-shaped, hexagonal or odd shapes. It should be square or rectangular. 13. Due to paucity of land, if the furniture is to be kept in the east or in the north direction, it should not be in the direct contact with the flooring. It should be light and hollow and placed on base 1 to 3 inches above the floor. 14. The ceiling of this room, if slanting towards the east or the north, is good. 15. The cooler should be in the west, northwest, east, and not in the southeast direction. 16. In the modern architecture, the height of the living room is more up to double than that of the other rooms. There is no harm in doing so. However, the staircase should be in the south, the west or the southwest.